Welcome to today's video, where we will dive into the fascinating world of data science. In this video, we'll explore the fundamentals, importance, and applications of data science. So, let's get started. Fundamentals of data science. At its core, data science is an interdisciplinary field that combines mathematics, statistics, programming, and domain knowledge to extract insights and knowledge from data. It involves collecting, organizing, analyzing, and interpreting vast amounts of data to uncover meaningful patterns and trends. Data scientists use various tools, techniques, and algorithms to extract valuable information and make data-driven decisions. Importance of data science. In today's data-driven world, data science plays a crucial role in numerous industries and domains. The importance of data science lies in its ability to uncover hidden patterns, gain actionable insights, and make informed decisions. By harnessing the power of data, businesses can optimize operations, enhance customer experiences, and drive innovation. Data science empowers organizations to leverage data as a strategic asset, leading to improved efficiency, competitiveness, and growth. Applications of data science. The applications of data science are incredibly diverse and span across various sectors. Let's explore a few prominent examples. Business analytics. Data science helps businesses gain insights into customer behavior, optimize marketing campaigns, and forecast market trends. It enables companies to make data-driven decisions, improve operational efficiency, and drive business growth. Healthcare. Data science plays a vital role in healthcare, from analyzing patient data to predicting disease outbreaks. It helps identify patterns in medical records, optimize treatment plans, and develop predictive models for early disease detection. Finance. In the finance industry, data science is used for fraud detection, risk assessment, algorithmic trading, and personalized financial services. It enables financial institutions to make informed investment decisions and mitigate risks. Social media and recommendation systems. Data science powers recommendation algorithms on platforms like Netflix and Amazon, suggesting personalized content and products based on user preferences. It also helps analyze social media data, sentiment analysis, and social network analysis. In conclusion, data science is an essential discipline that revolutionizes the way we make decisions, solve complex problems, and understand the world around us. Its significance extends across industries, impacting everything from business strategies to healthcare outcomes. By leveraging the power of data science, organizations and individuals can uncover valuable insights, drive innovation, and make informed choices.